Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. You are most welcome in my class. Dear student, number one, what do you see here? It was the picture of 99. It was the picture of 2013, and it is the picture 2020. Okay, dear student, find out the difference among the picture. The year 1990, it was passed. 2013, 2030, it will, sorry, 2020, it is present. 2021, it is future tense. So, today's discussed topic's name is learning outcome. After completing the class, we will be able to write sentence in different tense, use the right form. Tense mainly indicates time of an action. I go to school regularly. I went to Dhaka yesterday. I shall go to Kumilla tomorrow. I go to school regularly. It is present tense because indicates is in the present something. I went to Dhaka yesterday. It was action in the past tense. I shall go to Kumilla tomorrow. It will be action in the future tense. Here the words written in red indicate time of action. There are mainly three kinds of tense: past, present, and future. Present tense is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And future indefinite, future tense is future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. They are all indefinite continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous, as like us before. Slide. Present tense indicates an action that takes place in present time. It is called present. Present tense are four types: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Present indefinite. The sun rises in the east. It is called universal truth. We know that present indicates an action in the present. Present and universal truth, habitual fact, and habitual fact, universal truth, habitual fact, and historical incident. It is also present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense means universal truth, the action that is usual and the action that takes place regularly in a universal truth, habitual fact, and historical incident. It is also called present indefinite tense. We know that present tense indicates an action in the present. We also know that universal truth, a habitual fact, and historical incident. It is also called present indefinite tense. Its structure: subject plus present form of verb plus object. We know that though the subject is third person singular number, its verb will be added is or is. I eat, eat, ate, eaten. But I know that eat present indefinite tense. Subject: I eat rice. This sentence has at first subject plus present form of verb plus object. I eat rice. It is one kind of present indefinite tense. Keep in mind, we add s or es after the base form of verb if the subject is third person and singular number. He eats. Here the sentence he eats added s because this sentence subject is he. It is one kind of third person singular number subject. So it added is. We add s or es after the base form of verb if the subject is third person and singular number. He. Individual word. Identifiable sentence that are written in present indefinite tense. Number 1, I like tea. Number 2, he is intelligent boy. Number 3, he came to Dhaka yesterday. Number 4, who is your food? Number 5, we had a cow. It's number 1, I like tea. It is one kind of present indefinite tense because this sentence has a subject present form of verb plus object. We know that subject plus verb present form plus object. If the sentence has subject plus verb present form or plus object, it is called present indefinite tense. Number 2 is intelligent boy. It is one kind of present indefinite tense. Number 4, who is your food? কে হয় তোমার খাওয়া? It is one kind of present indefinite tense. Running, sleeping. Present continuous tense indicates an action that is taking place, and it is running, continuing the work. Running, sleeping, and etc. Its structure: subject plus am is a plus verb plus ing plus object. Keep in mind, gradually, day by day, step by step. Now this words indicates present continuous tense. We can say that present indicates and that's an action indicates an action in the present continuing thing. That's an action in the present continuing thing is called present continuous tense. Running, sleeping, walking, and etc. Each structure: subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object. Keep in mind, number 1, gradually, day by day, step by step. Now this words indicates present continuous tense. Example: I am improving gradually. It is one kind of present continuous tense. He is playing in the field. I am writing a letter. It is one kind of present continuous sentence. Yes or yes? It's how can we know it is present indefinite tense? বাংলা ক্রিয়াপদে ই, অ, এ অন্তস্থ ইত্যাদি যদি থাকে, it is called present indefinite tense. The tense that indicates an action in the present continuing thing, it is called present continuous tense. Sleeping, writing, reading, and etc. Now I am writing anything. It is called one kind of present continuous tense. He is playing in the field. It is called one kind of present continuous tense. He is walking in the field. It is called one kind of present continuous tense. Its structure: at first subject plus am is are plus present form of verb plus ing plus object. How can we know it is one kind of present continuous tense? They see, they saw, they sent. যদি থাকে তাহলে বুঝবো যে এটা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। Present perfect tense, the tense that indicates an action in the present thing. What has finished now, but its result not published yet. It is called one kind of present perfect tense. I have played football. You have read a book. He has finished the war. It is one kind of present perfect tense. Its structure at first subject plus have oblique has plus verb past participle form plus object. I have finished the war. You have played football. He has finished the game. It is these are present perfect tense. How can we know that it is present perfect tense? Yes, when we find out the yes, 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 and as and that means ক্রিয়াপদের শেষে ইয়াসি ইয়াসু ইয়াসেন আসি আসো আসেন যদি থাকে তাহলে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট it is these are present perfect tense. It is one kind of present perfect tense. Okay dear, now I discuss present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous indicates an action in the present perfect continuing thing. It has been raining 7 days. He has been reading a book 2 hours for 2 hours since 2 hours since 2 hours of a he has been working for 7 days. That means it indicates the present action, point of time, period of time. Its structure at first subject plus has been have been plus present form of verb plus ing plus object plus time. It indicates for or since. How can we know that it is present perfect continuous tense? When we see that it publishes present perfect continuous tense ক্রিয়াপদের শেষে তেসি তেস ও তেসেন থাকে এবং ধরে থেকে যাবত কথা উল্লেখ থাকে তাহলে বুঝবো যে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স. So I hope that you can understand about 4 tense: present perfect continuous, present perfect, present continuous, present perfect continuous, and mainly tense and its classification: present, past, and future, and its structure, and how can we know that it is present, it is what kinds of tense. And its example. Now dear student, I have no describe anything today. So I hope that you will be stay at home safe and security and prepared your lesson regularly, no more today. Thanks to all.